So in this video, I'll be showing you a quick way to factor trinomials. So in the first problem, we have 3p squared minus 2p minus 5. So since there's a coefficient in front of p, we have to times the first term by the last term. So 3 times negative 5. And we rewrite this part, p squared minus 2p minus 15. The next step is to look for factors of negative 15 that adds to negative 2. So I'm going to write to the side. And then 3 times negative 5, or 15 times negative 1. I'm thinking it's this one because it adds to negative 2. So p on both sides of the parentheses to get to get p squared. And then plus 3 and then minus 5. And then since we times 3 in the beginning, we have to divide by 3 now. So, and then we simplify this one since it's simplifiable. And then p plus 1. And then since we could not simplify this any further, we times the denominator by p. So it becomes 3p minus 5. And there's our answer. For the next problem, we have negative 6a squared minus 25a minus 25. So we could actually simplify the whole equation by dividing by negative 1. So we have a GCF of negative 1. So we divide everything by negative 1. So 6a squared plus 25a plus 25. And we times the first term to the last term. And we rewrite it plus 25a plus 150. And then we look for the factors of 150 that adds to 25. So 30 times 5. Or we could have 15 times 10. I'm thinking it's this one because it adds to 25. So a on both sides of the parentheses to get a squared. And then plus 15 plus 10. And then we divide by 6 since we multiplied by 6 in the beginning. Now we simplify. Since these are simplified, and you could not simplify any further, you times the denominator by a. And then it becomes 2a plus 5, and then 3a plus 5. Remember, we took out a GCF in the beginning, so we have to add it back at the end. And there's our answer. So I have shown you two scenarios of factoring trinomials. I really hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.